Dr. Chanchal Gupta, MS Obs Gynae. I have joined fellowship in Saxena Multi-Speciality Hospital's SHIMIST Institute, and it has been just 7 days over here that I have joined. But I must say that every day is a learning experience for me. Every day I'm seeing surgeries which I had read only in books, but I'm able to see over here. Like I see cystoscopies, hysteroscopies, minimal access surgery in urogynecology, which is a very difficult part. And I must say Dr. Akhil Saxena sir is great. His surgeries are very clean, and at the same time every person in this institute teaches you something. And moreover, we've got a residence over here which is just on the top floor, and all my colleagues, my seniors over here, and especially sir, they've been very warm and very cooperative with me. They are teaching me every day. I don't think in this territory, in this area, there will be any institute as great as this hospital for learning minimal access surgery. Thank you.